Hello, welcome to Professional Hub. In today's video, we are going to be showing you 15 ways how to grow a business fast. A launchpad that comes up with new and amazing ideas for your future business and helps you become a source of inspiration for others. Before you stream down our video, just click the subscribe button so that you don't miss more motivational content from us in the future. To track our videos and more content, please follow us on Instagram and like our Facebook page. You may be running a small business that needs a real boost to bear your expenses more smoothly. Or you aspire huge businesses and want yours to be one in that list. Today, this video has come up with 15 ways that will help you grow your business fast. 1. Mainstream your marketing plan. We know that you must have already had a marketing plan and probably you are quite satisfied with its performance. But there is always room for improvement. You must sit and call a meeting with your marketing managers to streamline their market plan according to the trending flow of public debates. It may be a public, social, or political issue. 2. Be different. Being different always attracts customers. One thing that will help you grow your business fast is that you keep making your services different than others. Ask your team to come up with creative ideas. 3. Know your competitors. Someone said, if you know your enemies, you can win 1,000 battles. One of the most important things to know is that you are not the only one to sell this service. Someone somewhere else is doing the same. So, it is very important to know who that one is. Not necessarily, they are your enemies, but at least your competitors. Remember, you cannot grow without knowing the competition ground. 4. Open up sales. Business psychology has remarked the sales as one of the most profit-making strategies. Sometimes only the name wins a tremendous surplus even if it is not discounted or a very less % off. So, remember open discounts, offers very often. Believe me, this will lead you to a roller coaster fast success. 5. Vouchers, discount cares, free of cost services. Another name for sale is to attract your customers with free vouchers, promos, discount cards, and other like services. This is also a marketing trick. They will visit you at least once to spend their vouchers, and this is the time when you may win their heart. 6. Wise partnerships. Offer partnerships to big names. For example, a nice restaurant gives away your discount voucher on the order of more than $20. It will be a win-win situation for both of your partners. They will order more, you will sell more. 7. Invest more. Every business needs to get enough time to grow. You cannot extract all your money from your business and start buying yourself luxuries. One trick to growing fast is to invest fast. Invest 90% of what you earn back into the business. Remember, the fruit of patience is sweet. 8. Leverage your business. Also considered very successful and useful due to e-commerce in today's world. Go online and search those entities who are selling relevant services or up to sell your services on their behalf. 9. Use social media. It is for sure that you are not running your company without market it on social media. Well, here we mean for the cheapest ways to market ourselves. For example, create a Facebook page for free, and Instagram for free. This will pave your way towards a quick success. 10. Hire the right people. You can't dream of a business big or small without your team members. So, growing your business needs a team of the right people right away. Be selective, proactive, and deductive. 11. Hire a lot for free. Is there anyone out there who will work for you for free? Yes. We all have done it somehow. Suppose you post a link of your product, your FB page, and ask people to spread it to as many people as they can. If they reach a target, they will get a voucher. Many ignore, but trust me, an equal lot will do this. But yes, don't cheat, actually reward them if they reach a target. 12. Use of your print media. Newsletters, magazines, sci-fi publishing is also one of the great ways to enhance your position in the business market. Many would love to write for you. And so many would love to read if it is worth it. 13. Enhance networking. You cannot grow a company if people don't know who you are and what you do. Whether you are an introvert or love to be around people, you can always improve your business bonding skills through networking. It can also be one of the most efficient ways of growing your business. Look up for people who are selling the like and connect with them through attending or hosting events. 14. Split up the ingredients. Depending upon your business, you may be trading something that you are getting at a cheaper rate and selling on a market rate. Just split up the product's ingredients and tries to materialize yourself. This will be cheaper, more profitable, and probably enable you to materialize and sell other relevant products. 15. Get feedback. Last but not least, one is to always keep taking a silent evaluation report, especially from your customers. It is important to assess and adapt your activities to ensure they are as effective as they can be. This will help you improve and help you realize your goals more efficiently. Through online surveys, through the Facebook page, through emails. This will help you keep on going up without wasting time and making mistakes. We hope that you enjoyed our video, and now you have a much clearer picture of how to grow your business fast. Don't forget to appease us with your generous comments and opinions. Do let us know what else you want to know more. Keep watching and share.